Okay, last thing in section 1 of our unit 6 is how to find sector area and arc length. So sector area is going to be us finding the total area, but we just want a piece of it. We just want like a shaded region, and they're going to give it to us. So we do exactly what we would do to find area. But once we find the area, we're going to multiply it by whatever amount of the piece that we have is, and then divide it by the total number of degrees in a circle, which is 360. So it looks like this. Here's our formula. We have x over 360 times pi r squared. Okay, that's really ugly, sorry. Okay, so here we have it. Area equals, my x is going to be the piece. It's going to be the degrees that they want. Okay, so in this case, x is 100 over 360 times my pi, which is 3.14 still, times my radius, which they told me was 5 squared. And I'm going to write that exactly how it is in my calculator. So 100 divided by 360 times 3.14 times 5 squared. So it should look like that. And so when I hit enter, I get an area equals 21.80, which we round to 21.8. Now, a good way to check these is to find the total area and see if it makes sense. So let's find the total area, which is going to be 25 times 3.14. So the total area equals 78.5. 100 is about a third. So if I were to take 78.5 and divide it by 3, I get 26, which is pretty close to 21, and this isn't exactly a third. So it makes sense. Our answer makes sense based on total area. Okay, let's do this guy. We have 120 is my x over 360 is times 3.14 times 4 squared will equal area. So 120 divided by 360 times 3.14 times 4 squared results in 16.74, which is 16.7 as our area. Last guy, we have 200 over 360 times 3.14 times 6 squared equals area. 200 divided by 360 times 3.14 times 6 squared is going to be 62.8 for my area. Okay? Now that's how we find sector area.